in that direction lies London. Really on the cusp of the divide from city and industry into sort of, I don't know, towns and countryside. Nowhere's more obvious where there's a sharp divide between nature and civilization. I mean, for safety reasons, you got these barriers created to stop people getting onto the mud when the tide's out. Humanity at its best here. There's a number of trolleys along here in various states of sunkenness. And there's nature there. I mean, it's getting on with its life. Probably as each time as the tide goes out, comes back in, and things surface or things are lost forever. But it's a very stark contrast. It's very disjointed. I mean, if we look at the civilization side of things, I mean, this sort of, I don't know, promenade, you could say, has been surrendered to drunks and probably, I don't know, people up to no good. I mean, looking at what should be flower beds, a place where there could be joy, it's just been surrendered. I mean, really oddly enough, and I've taken a photo of it. I'll see if I can zoom in. I bet there's some sort of tropical birds up here. I don't actually recognise what they are. They're completely out of place, but hey, at least they're enjoying the nature that's here. So good for them, I say. I mean, the park that's here is all bricked off in a, I don't know, not an encouraging way. And I'll zoom in again up in a second just to see if I can get the pile of rubbish that's in the distance. I mean, we're really on the divide between industry and nature in all its worst possible places. Just see the Dartford crossing there. Horrible bridge and crossing. For anyone who lives locally and knows what it's like. It's just one of those instances when I think, as a quote that comes to mind, is Jim Morrison in The Doors. What have we done to the earth? Stabbed her with daggers, tied her with fences, and dragged her down. I don't know. It's hard to not feel a level of despair in a place like this, where it could quite easily be a place of joy, and just by fighting for it, I don't know, we can do so much better.